Hello, gives you license. How are you feeling?
So nervous.
Yeah. I'm alright to video this, aren't I?
Pardon?
I'm alright to video.
Yes, yeah, you are. Oh, it's video, yeah.
Give us your license.
No, but it's like.
This is Bella from Birmingham.
Hey, hi.
Tell them how you're feeling.
Yeah, I'm ready to pass, but I don't think it's going to happen today.
What?
So, I might be doing the video again in 2 weeks' time.
She's had 4 fields in Birmingham. I don't know what them instructors do down there, but her footwork was all out.
Yeah.
Right, do you have any questions before we start?
Nope.
You want a lovely smooth drive, have you got that?
Yes.
You want to read the road when you're ready?
Got it. Okay.
Nobody knows you got your test today?
No, I haven't told anyone, but...
Wise decision, yeah?
Hopefully.
I'm going to see how this hour goes and then we'll get a prediction of you here, whether you pass or fail.
Okay.
None of that rubbish with the brake and clutch, yeah?
Yeah.
One was gas clutch, and I want a lovely smooth approach onto the roundabouts today. Second gear, a couple of bus lengths back. Now at the end of the road, turn left. You look a bit nervous.
I am. I'm so nervous. I'm just so ready to pass. It's like...
Does none of your flatmates know?
Nope. I've told them that it's next week.
Have you?
And then when it comes to next week, I say, oh no, it's the week after, and then hopefully I'll have another test book for then.
Follow the signs for Sunderland. Right. Now we're looking for gear 177. This is the laser score. You know how to do this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Now look for gear 177 and you can't go wrong. You know how you do Thinford?
Yeah, it's the same one, yeah.
Exactly right, so turn right.
Turn right.
Gear 177.
Oh.
Good position, well done. That's all good, that, well done. Yeah, good stuff. I've just passed the driving exam and he was walking back to the test centre. He stopped the test halfway through. In the interest of public road safety. It's called a walk back.
Walk back.
Yeah. You haven't had one of them, have you?
No, I've not had one of them. All my tests have been fine, apart from like one mistake in them.
Well, there's no mistakes today, young lady.
Hopefully.
Right, we'll do that one, the Audi. Just put it alongside it. Right. Good observations. Owl and the snail. That'll do. That'll do. Stop. Don't go any further back. The accuracy is absolutely perfect, but try to keep the car moving when you do steer. But it's a pass.
Okay.
Well done.
Thank you.
Don't stare in the door mirrors though when you're ready. That's it, and keep moving off all like that. That's all good car control. What was it like when I first met you?
Yeah, it wasn't as good.
It was poor. Not good, it was poor. Now at the end of the road, turn right. looks very professional the way you're moving off now. It's good, I like how you stayed there because there's not enough room there, is there?
No.
But if there was, I would follow them in. I would go in now. Yeah. Now you know if our backup light changes, guess what I'd do at the same time as these cars?
Go off.
Yeah,
Go.
they go. So if there's enough room, follow them in. 3 cars in, I don't mind. And that's it, follow them out, good.
I feel like I was told never be the third car.
Never be the what?
The third car.
Oh, I've heard that rule before. 2-car rule I've heard. Well, was there enough room?
Yeah.
Well, then get yourself in the middle. It's like walking the plank, isn't it? Waiting to go in.
Oh, it's terrifying.
Right. Prediction time. How do you think you're going to do?
I think I'm going to do quite well, but I'm not going to pass. I'll get one major
What?
accidentally.
No, you think you're going to get 1 major, 1 serious fault?
1 serious fault and maybe 2 minors or something.
2 minors?
Like just like yeah.
I'm going to go for
Last time I got 0 minors. So.
I'm going to go for 2 couple of faults. It's been a good drive the hour before. There was only 1 serious fault. I think she was a bit nervous, you know, when you tried to drive out the beer. What gear did you put in?
I reversed.
Yeah, that was a pretty decent drive. She just needs to drive lovely and smooth, read the road, and I think she's got it in the bag. Right, have any questions before we turn this off?
Not really. I mean, I wouldn't get your hopes up here. You're seeming too positive.
I've got great confidence in you, yeah? Right. Well, we're back with Bella. Bella, tell them what you've done.
I have passed.
Tell them how many faults?
3 minors, but that's it.
2 for judgment with the meeting situations. He never explained the last one, did he?
I don't know, I didn't really care that much.
Did you thought you passed when you pulled up?
No, I didn't. I thought
Why?
I'd failed because
Why?
I don't know, he did. Like, I don't know, I just didn't expect it.
So was the exam really nice?
Yeah, he was lovely, he was so good.
Told you, didn't I?
Yeah, and he really liked you as well. He was like, well, he really liked you as well. He was like, well, you've got the best instructor.
Was that what he said?
Yeah.
Really? Very kind of him. Oh, Bella, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
You're not going to ring your mum?
Yes, I will. I'll call her.
It's on video, so you can watch it on video. Oh, well done. He's a very experienced examiner, him. Jack. Bet she doesn't answer.
I bet she doesn't answer, yeah. I'll be going around to all my friends' houses with this. Go around, show them all.
Go on, then how does it feel to pass?
It feels such a relief. Oh my god, it's been too long. I've been doing it for like 3 years almost.
Well done, well done.
I'm so ready. I'm ready for a car house.
Oh, well done. So he didn't think you passed when you pulled up?
No, I didn't expect to for him to
Why?
say. I don't know. I just thought that.
I told you, didn't I?
Yeah.
You just had to get rid of you. And did he say it was a good drive?
Yes, he said I would willingly get in the car with you.
Wow! Can't get any better praise than that, can you?
Yes, I know.
Oh, well done. Well done. There you go.
Yes.
Because I bet your footwork was right, was it?
Yes, it was. It was perfect.
Was it? Well done. Well, I hope you're going to drive like that from now on.
Yeah, I will, definitely.
Good.